Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Arisha Misara from SPN 1E. Today, I'm going to talk about handheld concrete cutter, including its function, parts, advantages and disadvantages. I hope you all enjoy my presentation. A concrete cutter is a machine used to cut hard material such as concrete, asphalt, and stone. It is widely used in construction work, especially when a worker needs to cut strong surface that cannot be cut using the normal tools. There are a few types of concrete cutter, including handheld concrete cutter, walk-behind concrete cutter, and wall concrete cutter. But today, I will focus on the handheld concrete cutter. A handheld concrete cutter is a small and portable machine that is operated by hand. It is designed for precision cutting woods and is commonly used in construction sites, especially in areas that are small, narrow, or difficult to access. Because of its size, it is easy to control and suitable for detailed cutting tasks such as cutting concrete edges or making small openings. Next, I will explain the function. The function of a handheld concrete cutter is to cut small areas of concrete surface correctly and efficiently. It is commonly used in construction work where this precision is needed, especially for detailed cutting on concrete structure. It is also used to create opening for pipe and cables, as well as for repair and modification works on existing concrete surface. This is making very useful for both installation and maintenance tasks in construction projects. Now, I will move on to its part. A handheld concrete cutter consists of several important parts, but I will focus on the three main parts, which are the blade, the engine, and the water supply system. These parts are important because they'll help the machine to cut efficiently and operate safely. Now, I will explain each part in detail, started with the blades. The blade is the most important part of the handheld concrete cutter because it is responsible for the cutting process. Its blade a clear word ensuring the machine can cut through hard surface efficiently. It is usually made of diamond material which is extremely strong and suitable for cutting tough material such as concrete. The blade rotates at a very high speed to produce clean, smooth, and precise cut, which help improve the quality of work. Next, I will explain the engines. The engines provide power to the machine, which is essential for its operation. It allows the blade to rotate at higher speed and performs the cutting process efficiently. A strong and stable engine is important to ensure smooth operation, consistent performance, and efficient cutting results during work on concrete surface. Now, I will move on to the water supply system. The water supply system supplies water during the cutting process. It supports the overall operation of the machine. It plays an important role in maintaining safely and improving cutting performance. It helps to reduce dust produced during cutting, which improves visibility for the operation. In addition, it also cools down the blade to prevent overheating, especially during continuous use. By doing so, it makes the cutting process safer, more efficient, and more stable. There are several advantages of using a handheld concrete cutter in construction work. Firstly, it is portable and easy to carry, which makes it highly suitable for small-scale work and tight or hard-to-reach space. Secondly, it is easy to use and control compared to the larger and heavier machine, allowing the operator to handle it more comfortable and safely. Lastly, it is very useful for the detailed and precise cutting work, especially when accuracy is needed in construction tasks. However, there are several disadvantages of using a handheld concrete cutter. It has limited power, so it is not suitable for large and heavy duty projects. It may also take more time compared to the bigger machine. Besides that, it can be dangerous if not handled properly due to rotation blade. Lastly, the machine is quite expensive with an estimated price range from around 102,099 ringgit Malaysian to 6,000 ringgit Malaysian, depend on the model and specification. In conclusion, the handheld concrete cutter is an important and practical tool in the construction industry. It is widely used for small-scale and precise cutting work, especially in areas that are difficult to reach. This machine helps improve efficiency and accuracy in construction tasks. However, proper handling and safety precautions are very important to ensure it is used correctly and to prevent any accidents. Overall, it is a useful tool and operated properly. Thank you.